Hello everyone, welcome to Microchip Technologies. In this video, I will show you how to install MPLAB X IDE, install the X8 compiler, and then create and compile your first big microcontroller project step by step. Whether you are a beginner or just setting up your environment again, this video will help you get everything ready to start coding with the big microcontrollers. Let us start with installing MPLAB X IDE. Open your browser and go to the official Microchip website, microchip.com MPLAB X. Here click on Download MPLAB X IDE and select the version that matches your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux, whatever may be. Once the installer is downloaded, run it. The installation may take a few minutes. After completion, click Finish. And you will see the MPLAB X IDE shortcut on your desktop. Let's launch it to make sure it's installed correctly. Perfect. The IDE opened successfully. Next, let us install the X8 compiler, which is required to compile C programs for 8-bit big microcontrollers. Go back to the Microchip website and search for X8 compiler download. Click the first result. You will reach the X8 compiler download page. Once downloaded, run the installer, accept the agreement and continue with the default settings. When it asks for license type, choose free evaluation mode, which is suitable for most educational and hobby projects. After installation, click Finish. Let's verify if the compiler is detected correctly. In MPLAB X IDE, go to Tools, Options, Embedded, X8 Compiler. You should see the installed path listed. That means the setup is successful. See how to create a new project. Now let's create a new project and test everything. Click File, New Project, then choose Microchip Embedded Standalone Project. Again click Next. Here select your device. For example, here we are selecting PIC 18F4550. Clicking Next. Choose your hardware tool or select simulator if you don't have hardware connected. Next, select the X8 compiler. Click Next. Now browse for the location where we are going to save the project. Create new folder and name it. Then give the file name, give the project name, and click Finish. Now the project is ready for the code development. Next, we are creating a source file. First, we are creating main file. Click Source, New, Main. Name the file main.c. Click Finish. The main.c file has been created. Next, we are creating a header file. Click Header Files. Next, C header file. Click Header Files, New, C header file, give a name main.h, click finish. See, the main.h file has been created. This is the main.h file. Now we are compiling the file. To compile a file, either you can right click on a source file, you can choose compile file, or you can select from the menu the hammer symbol. By clicking on it, you can see that build successful. You can see the program space, used memory, and data memory. Such details are displayed on output window. That's it for today's tutorial. You have successfully installed MPLAB X IDE, installed the X8 compiler, and created your first PIC project. In upcoming videos, we will explore writing real embedded C programs and working with GPIOs, ADC, UART, and much more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bitsinger Technologies for more embedded systems tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.